You've probably heard Idaho is great for business, but no one talks about how easy it is to mess things up when starting your LLC. Between legal landmines, naming rules, and forms that you've probably never seen before, it's easy to stall out before you even get started. So in this video, I will walk you through exactly how to start your Idaho LLC step by step while sidestepping the mistakes that cost people time, money, and momentum. It's also worth noting if you skip one document most people think is optional, it could come back to cost you thousands of dollars and possibly your business entirely. But more on that in a minute. First, let's talk about why Idaho is a top pick for entrepreneurs thanks to its business-friendly vibe and low taxes. So in 2025, Idaho ranked in the top 5 most business-friendly states with a corporate income tax rate of just 5.3%, which is one of the lowest in the country. The state's new business growth rate hit 12.8%, ranking it 4th nationwide, and cities like Caldwell saw population jumps of over 21% from 2020 to 2024. Idaho also attracted 5,000 educated workers, making it easier to find great employees. So with affordable living and a supportive environment, Idaho lets you keep more of your profits and grow your business with less hassle, which is all great, but none of it happens if you don't take that first step, which is properly naming your LLC. But before we jump in too deep here, here's one thing to keep in mind. Starting your business, it should be exciting and not overwhelming. But forming an LLC on your own, that can get really confusing fast with all the legal forms, rules, and all the easy to miss details. Now, I will walk you through everything you need to know in this video, but if any part of this feels confusing, I've got a favorite LLC formation service that makes the whole process super simple and stress-free. It's guided, beginner-friendly, and only costs $39. So if you hit any bumps along the way, just click right up here to get step-by-step help setting up your LLC the easy way. All right, so back to your name. So did you know that it's not uncommon to have your business name request for your LLC rejected? Well, unfortunately, it happens all too often, but it's mostly because people just aren't following instructions. Idaho has some really clear rules to help you get it right the first time, right? So your LLC name must be unique and can't be too similar to any other businesses already registered in the state. That means that, Potato Bros LLC won't fly if Potato Bros Inc. is already taken. Changing the ending, that's not enough. Now, you also need to include LLC or LLC or another approved variation at the end of your name, so that people know that you're a limited liability company. And words that suggest that you're a government agency or offer services that you actually don't offer, like bank or university, those are off limits as well. Now, before you fall in love with a name, use the Idaho Secretary of State's free online search tool to check if it's available. And the link for that, as well as everything else I mentioned in this video, is down below in the description. Now, if you're not quite ready to file, but you do want to lock in your name, you can reserve it for 4 months for $20. But that's just the first step here, and it's definitely not the only important one. So next, let's talk about getting a registered agent, which is your LLC's official point of contact in Idaho. So here's a step that trips up a lot of new business owners. So picking your registered agent. So what's the deal here? Well, every Idaho LLC needs a registered agent, which is a real person or company with a physical street address in Idaho, so no PO boxes allowed. Now, this agent is your official point of contact for legal documents, tax notices, and really anything that the state needs to send your way. Now, you could be your own registered agent, you can ask a friend or family member as well, or hire a professional service. The only requirements is that the agent must be at least 18 years old, live or operate in Idaho, and be available during normal business hours to accept important documents. Now, many business owners, they go with a professional service for 2 big reasons, right? So first, they protect your privacy because if you choose to be an agent yourself, your address will become part of public record. And second is peace of mind, because these companies, they'll always receive your records and forward them to you along very quickly, and they don't miss anything. Now, if you want the best mix of privacy, reliability, and customer support, I personally recommend that you go with Northwest Registered Agent because I've used them myself. They'll keep your personal address off public records, they will give you a dedicated team for support, and notify you right away if anything urgent comes in. Plus, Northwest charges $39 plus state fees to form your LLC, and you can go ahead and click on that right up here to check them out, or just check out the link in the description. So next, let's break down how to officially file your LLC with the state. And this is where your business becomes real. Filing the certificate of organization is the step that makes your business real in the eyes of the state. But don't worry, it's probably easier than you think. And you can also do it all online. So you'll need to provide some basic info. So your LLC's name, the principal office address, your registered agent's name and address, and the name and address of at least one governor, which is just a member or manager with decision-making capabilities in the company. You'll also include a mailing address for future correspondence and the signature of the organizer, which is the person filling out the paperwork, which is probably you. The filing fee is $100 if you submit online or $120 if you mail in the paper form, and that will take a few extra weeks in processing. Now, most people, they file online to save time and money, but either way, you'll pay just once. There's no annual state fee for this part. And once you hit submit, the state usually processes online filings within a few business days, so it's pretty quick. And once it's approved, the good news is that you're officially in business. But don't celebrate just yet, because there's a crucial document that you'll want to create next, and skipping it could cause a ton of headaches down the road. So ever wonder what keeps an LLC running smoothly behind the scenes? Well, that's where the operating agreement comes in. So even though Idaho, they do not require you to have one legally, skipping this step is like, driving without a seatbelt, right? Most of the time you're fine, but when things get bumpy, you'll wish that you had it. So an operating agreement is a written contract between you and any other members of your LLC. It spells out, who owns what, how profits and losses are split, and who gets to make the big decisions. It also covers what happens if someone wants out or if you want to bring in a new partner. This document is essentially your playbook for avoiding misunderstandings and legal headaches down the road. Banks and investors also often want to see your operating agreement before doing business with you, and it's especially important for single member LLCs to prove that the business is separate from your personal finances. And the best part, you can customize it to fit your business exactly, so you're not stuck with Idaho's default rules, which may not work in your favor. Now, next here, let's talk about getting your EIN, because you can't open a business bank account or even hire employees without it. So here's a step that can really make or break your business setup, right? Which is getting your EIN. So think of your EIN, or your employer identification number, as a social security number for your LLC. It's how the IRS and banks will identify your business. Now, most banks, they won't let you open a business account without one, and you'll need it if you ever want to hire employees or handle payroll taxes. Now, the good news is that getting an EIN is free and fast. So once your LLC is officially formed, you can apply online through the IRS website and get your number instantly. Now, if you prefer, you can also apply by mail or fax, but that takes longer, usually up to 4 weeks by mail. And you'll need your LLC's legal name, address, and the name and social security number of the person in charge. And even if you're a single member LLC with no employees, you'll still need that EIN, because having it helps keep your business and personal finances separate, and also protects your privacy and makes you look more professional to clients and vendors. Now from here, the next step, well, let's talk about state licenses and taxes, because skipping these can lead to some really nasty surprises down the road. So here's where a lot of new business owners get a little tripped up, right? So let's make it simple. Not every Idaho LLC needs to register for state taxes, but if you plan to sell goods, hire employees, or collect sales tax in the state itself, you'll need to register with the Idaho State Tax Commission. This process is quick and can be done online. You'll need your EIN, your business details, and a rough idea of your expected tax liability. Now, Idaho doesn't require a general state business license either, but certain industries like food service, construction, or childcare, they may need special permits or occupational licenses. So local city or county governments might also have their own requirements. So just make sure that you always check with your local offices. And if you're selling products, you'll also need a sales and use tax permit. And if you have employees, you'll need to set up payroll tax withholding. Now, missing any of these steps can lead to fines or delays, so it's worth double checking before you open your doors to make sure you're doing everything right. So from here, are you ready to keep your business in good standing? Well, let's talk about the ongoing requirements that every Idaho LLC needs to know. So think that you're done once your LLC is set up? Well, not quite. There are a few simple but crucial steps to keep your business in good standing. Every Idaho LLC must file an annual report with the Secretary of State. And the best part to this is that there's no fee for this report, but it is mandatory and due by the end of your LLC's anniversary month each year. So for example, if you formed your LLC in March, your report is due by March 31st every year. The annual report is quick to file online and just updates your business's contact info. If you miss a deadline, your LLC could be administratively dissolved, meaning that the state will shut it down until you pay a reinstatement fee and get it back in compliance. Now, besides the annual report, you want to keep your registered agent info and business address current, and maintain good records of any official mailings or major decisions. Now, staying on top of these basics, it can help you avoid penalties and helps keep your business running smoothly. Now, next, I wanted to make sure that you understand what it actually costs to start and maintain an Idaho LLC. So let's break down those numbers here. Okay, so now let's talk real numbers here to make sure that you're never caught by surprise, right? So setting up your LLC in Idaho is refreshingly affordable compared to many other states. So here's what you can expect when you start. So first, certificate of organization, that's a requirement. $100 one-time filing fee to officially form your LLC. Professional registered agent, it's optional, but I do recommend it, right? Assuming that you use Northwest registered agents, that's $39. A name reservation, that's optional. $20 if you want to reserve your business name before filing. An annual report, $0. Idaho, they do not charge a fee for your required yearly report, but you must file it in good standing to not get any penalties or anything like that. Also, business licenses and permits. So costs here, they vary by city and industry, ranging from like $10 to $500 or more. Now, not every business needs one, so just check with your local government to figure that all out. Now, from there, let's talk about the ongoing annual costs. So a registered agent service, if you're using Northwest registered agent, $125 a year. Business licenses and permits, that varies by industry and location. Again, that can be $0 to $400, just depends. So in total, you can expect to spend around $150 to $400 per year to keep your LLC in good standing, depending on your setup and the industry. And that's really it. Starting an LLC in Idaho, it isn't overly complicated. And now that you really know the steps and all the costs, you're in a great position to move forward. Now, again, to help with all this, I really do advise you to use a service like Northwest Registered Agent. It just makes it easier. And again, you can click right up here to check it out, as they'll help you stay in compliance year after year while you just focus on trying to run a profitable business. Now, if you have any questions for me or a little bit confused by any of this, no problem at all. Just leave a comment below and I will happily reply as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.